Hello, this is my Kitchentoolz olive oil dispenser that I got on Amazon. The reason I got it is because we do a ton of cooking in my house, and up until recently, we've just kept the big jug of olive oil on our counter, which wasn't cute, wasn't practical, wasn't space saving, wasn't anything. But I knew that I needed a better solution, and something had to change. I needed something nice and cute to have out on the counter to handle the salads and the everyday usage. And then I could keep the bulk size in the pantry where it belongs for when I needed to add it by the cup or by the potful, for when we're frying or something. But this is what belongs on the counter, not the big jug. I believe they have other colors as well if this is not your style. I like how the actual shape is almost irregular looking. It's a solid medium-sized olive oil dispenser. It's not too small that you're going to find yourself refilling it all the time, and it's not so large that you could empty, for example, an entire gallon of olive oil into it and throw away the plastic one. This is somewhere in the middle. I like how small of a footprint it takes on the counter. It doesn't take up much space at all, and yet it holds quite a bit of oil. Two words, I think: dishwasher safe. This bad boy can go in the dishwasher. For some people, that might be enough said. As I was saying before, this one's perfect for things like salads, baking when you just need a tablespoon, a third of a cup, things like that. Oh, here's something I didn't even think of until it came, and I got lucky, is that olive oil is not supposed to be exposed to the sun, to UV rays. And if you make a normal search for olive oil dispenser, you're going to see a whole ton of clear glass and plastic ones, which can cause the olive oil to go bad. And, that sounds gross. So I'm really happy I got this one because it blocks out all those UV rays and keeps the olive oil in pristine condition. All right, guys, let's fill her up and then we can see how she drizzles. That's nice. Okay. I always recommend using a funnel because why wouldn't you use a funnel? Oil gets very messy and oily. Ooh, that's super nice. There was no dripping, no spilling, a very thin, controlled, nice, but fast. Pretty much does exactly what I want it to do, so I'm sold.